In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to report a bug in Jira. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Jira is a powerful tool used by teams to track bugs, tasks, and other project-related work. Knowing how to report a bug correctly can help ensure that your development team can address the issues promptly. So let's jump right into it. First things first, you'll need to log into your Jira account. This is the starting point because you won't be able to submit a bug report without being signed in. Go ahead and head over to your Jira homepage, enter your credentials, and let's get started. Once you are logged in, the next step is to select the project you are working on. Jira organizes tasks and bugs into projects, so clicking on the right one is essential for your report to reach the correct team. You can find your projects in the sidebar. Just locate the project icon or name and give it a click. After you've accessed the project, the next step is to navigate to the list of tasks or bugs. This is usually found in the project menu. Look for a tab labeled List or something similar and click on it. This is where all current tasks and bugs will be displayed, allowing you to see the existing issues and avoid duplicate reports. Now let's focus on identifying the bug you want to report. The list you are viewing might have various issues or tasks listed, so take a moment to scroll through and find the specific bug that you'd like to report. If it's not already in the list, don't worry, you can still report it. Just move on to the next steps. At this point, you should see a button that says Give Feedback. Go ahead and click on that. This button should be conveniently located on the interface, making it easy for you to provide your input regarding bugs or other issues you've encountered. After clicking the feedback button, you should see an option that says Report a Bug. It's almost like telling the app, "Hey, I found something wrong." Click on that to proceed to the actual bug reporting form. Now you should be on the bug report form. This is where you'll need to fill in crucial information about the bug you discovered. Make sure to include details such as what the bug is, the steps to reproduce it, and even screenshots if possible. Clear descriptions will help your team in resolving the issue more efficiently. One important reminder, there might be checkboxes for reproducible and urgent at the bottom of the form. Make sure to tick both boxes if the situation applies. This way, the team prioritizes your report according to its urgency and feasibility. Finally, once you've filled out all the required information and double-checked it for accuracy, you're ready to send it. There should be a button that says Send Feedback. Click that to submit your bug report. And there you have it. You've successfully reported a bug in Jira. If this bug is a critical issue, your team should respond accordingly, so keep an eye on its status in Jira. I hope you found this guide helpful. Reporting bugs effectively is crucial, not just for the development team, but also for the overall success of any project. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Thanks for watching, and happy bug reporting!